Let's make a salad.
Sure, I'm ready. Step number 1. Pick natural vegetables with different colors.
Let's check the refrigerator and the garden to see what we find.
Let's go.
Okay, so I got something from the garden. I found the kale, spinach, culantro.
Oh, good stuff. I got some pepper, some beets, some broccoli, and some onions.
Okay, so we usually use 5 different colors for our ingredients. So if you can find something green.
Green. Maybe this ones. The ones from the garden.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use something that what we got from the garden. Now give me something red.
Red. See what we got red here. Oh, get the beets here.
Oh, the best of the best. Okay, so we're gonna have the beets. What about something yellow?
Yellow. Let's see. Oh, maybe this peppers here. Be good.
Thank you. Yeah, green. White.
White. See what we got here. Get some bok choy here. Oh, maybe this onions here.
Oh, I love onions. Onions give so much flavor to the salad.
Yeah. And I'm looking, what about something orange? But because this one I think needs to be used already. This
Sounds
carrots.
Good. Yeah, let's have some carrots. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are ready for the step number 2. Step number 2. Pick the right amount, wash and chop.
It is like 3 steps in one.
Correct. I'm gonna have an equivalent of handful of each of the ingredients.
Need your favorite container?
Yes, you know me pretty well. So I can have a handful of the
Carrots.
And then I have a handful of the beets, which you can eat everything. And then I need a handful of the onions, which you have to throw away the trash there. And just a handful. And then of course our garden production is the equivalent of a handful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, a half is a handful. Okay.
Time to wash.
Yes.
Time to chop.
Yes. Let's make it quickly, easy, and enjoyable.
Okay, let's do it.
So give me one. Give me another one. Carrots. Green ones.
Getting colorful now.
Right?
Yep, lots of colors. Step number 3. Add spices.
Soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, it's like mustard, lemon, you name it. So here I'm gonna use some soy sauce. I'm just gonna do 2 tablespoons, and then I'm gonna get some lemon as well. And for that one, I squeeze it here.
A lot of lemon.
Yeah.
Juice.
And this is also from the garden.
Yeah. We can use ingredients in their powder form, like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and even onion. Like for this recipe, I think I'm gonna pick 2 of them. I'm gonna pick turmeric. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of turmeric.
That's good.
There's garlic here.
And the garlic. We're using 1 low level spoon.
Yeah, it's good. It smells good already.
Step number 4. Make it tasty with your favorite add-ons.
Yes, these ingredients make the difference.
I like adding an avocado to make it creamy. It makes it so delicious.
Also, we could use peanuts, sunflower nuts, raisins, coconut chips. Like for this one, I'm gonna add some raisins.
And I love to cook some mushrooms with a little bit of soy sauce to make the salad a little bit warmer.
We let it simmer in low heat for 10 minutes. Number 5, mix and enjoy. My favorite part is to enjoy.
I like to use my hands after washing them very carefully, of course. So we can put some of our mushroom with roots into the salad.
It's good.
And then I like to mix it to make it delicious. We can also put the salad in containers for future use.